Hey guys, it's Coach Angie again. I'm here to show you up close and personal the ladder drills so that you can learn them and become faster and more agile as you get used to them. This is the single step movement. You put one foot in each square all the way down the ladder, eventually moving as fast as you can, but still making sure you get into each square with 1 foot each. The next ladder drill that we learn how to do is called a double step, where you put both feet in each square every time. Another easy ladder drill is called the lateral drill. It is what it says it is. You put your feet in the squares and you're going 1 foot into each square all the way down the ladder. The next drill is called the toe tap. You start with 1 foot in the square and then you're going to tap the next foot into the next square. It looks a little bit like this, a little hop, and then you hop back again, switching feet all the way down the ladder. Slowly, you can look at it this way. Foot number 1 is front, foot number 2 is back, and then they switch places. 2 is at the top and 1 is at the bottom. Eventually, you'll be able to tap your toe into each square. Each foot gets its own square all the way down the ladder.